placed the winning bid for a Christopher Nejman handbag with Equality Florida in that. This is Zimmy, my barking dog. So let's see this beautiful bag. I'm excited. I need a new blade. This one's pretty dull. I don't want to cut too deep. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Third. Here it comes. Oh. Look at that beautiful dust cover. That is so beautifully embroidered. Okay, here we go. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. If you know me at all, I love animal print. Oh my gosh, how is this for fabulous? Ooh. Oh my gosh, look at the handles, look at the detail. I mean, it is a work of art. It is so beautiful. I can't wait to get in here. Ooh la la. Red lining. Oh, the key leash. And more Zimmy. No, Zimmy, you cannot eat it. Do not eat the bag. Oh, love it. I just love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Thank you, Christopher Nejman, and thank you, Equality Florida.